Want to revisit those fun, funny, or unforgettable Facebook stories you have posted in the past? It's easy. Here's how you can check out your story archive on Android. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find story archive. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open up your Facebook app and log in. Let's dive into your stories. Tap on your profile picture at the top left of your screen. This will take you to your profile where all your Facebook memories are stored. Once you are on your profile, hit the three dot icon. This opens up a bunch of options. Here, tap on the archive. Now you are in your story archive. Scroll through and relive those moments. Whether it's a vacation, a fun event, or just a random day, it's all there. And just like that, you have got access to all your old Facebook stories. Easy, right? So this is how to find story archive. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.